Thank you. Okay, so for any business, we need to have a 3 teams: marketing team, sales team, service team, right? So this is for any normal business, could be a small or could be a big company. So these 3 things has to be done. Now, Salesforce is providing all of these activities. Salesforce is providing the complete information of marketing, sales, service, right? All these activities we can do in Salesforce. Now, for marketing, how can we do it in Salesforce? Now, let's see here. When I say marketing cloud, it's not actually the cloud, it's a marketing, right? We have a marketing application is there, marketing cloud is there, right? Right now we are discussing about the marketing application. So in the marketing application, whatever the activities that done in the marketing is, we can do it in Salesforce also. So we have a 2 types of marketing that can happen. So marketing, how do we do it? Either it could be a online or it could be a offline. But before doing the marketing activities, first we need to create a record in Salesforce. That means we are planning to start a marketing from tomorrow onwards. Trade shows, which happens outside on road, right? Like if there is any two-wheeler, Bajaj company is selling it. So they will put a trade show on the road. So they will sell the, right? So similarly, there is a conference call or like an iPhone. Whenever the iPhone release is happening, they will schedule the time. If there is an iPhone 15 Pro is releasing it, so they will think that from November to till December, we have to do the marketing. Now they will pre-plan that activities. When the marketing is going to start and what is the budget we are expecting out of that marketing. So in Salesforce, we can do that in the campaign. We have an object called campaign. Now campaign is the one which will take care of all the activities that is going to happen in the marketing. So there are 2 objects we have in the marketing application: campaign and lead. Now if I go here in Salesforce, go to the app launcher. You can also practice with me. Go to the app launcher, click on this view all. Now you can see here marketing CRM. There is a option which is available, marketing CRM. Now click on this marketing CRM. Now the main 2 objects you can see here, campaign, lead. These 2 are the main objects in marketing application. Anything that happens, it has to be created in the campaign and lead will be capturing the data. 2 objects we have it, campaign and lead, which is a part of marketing application. Now first we will talk about campaign. Right, so campaign, how to create it, what is it, what are the details we have it. So first we will go to the campaign. Campaign is nothing but any targeted marketing effort is called as a campaign. That means whatever the effort we are going to put it in the marketing, everything we will be storing in the campaign object. Now there are 2 types of campaign, direct and indirect. Could be a direct campaign, could be a indirect campaign. So we have 2 types. Direct campaign is nothing but where the prospects are directly involved. Like simple example, in Amirpet, people will be selling the pamphlets. They will be giving the pamphlets, right? Or they will be talking to you directly. That means person is involved directly to talk to the another person, which is called as a direct campaign, where the person is involved, person to person interaction is happening. Now, examples, demo classes, door-to-door survey, or else sample distribution, the pamphlet distribution or sample distribution, where the people are interacting each other. And in the demo class, where I'll be explaining about the Salesforce, how it is going to be, right? That is the direct campaign, which we are doing it. Indirect campaign is nothing but where the person is not involved. Prospects are not involved directly, is called indirect campaign. Now, example for this, TV ads, paper ads, banner, theater ads, whatever the visualization, whatever you can see on the banner, right? So those are the indirect campaign, right? Direct campaign, indirect campaign will be there. Now let's go ahead and create this campaign. Go to the marketing application, click on this campaign, click on these campaigns, and you will see here, this is how the screen will be visible. Click on this object and go to the, you need to click on the navigation item. Online guys, you can also try with me, along with me. So here, everybody open the laptop, click on this campaign. So when you click on the campaign, you will be able to see the blank information. Then click on here, new button. When you click on the new button, first it is asking the campaign information. That means what type of a campaign are you planning to do it? Whether it is active or not. Right now we are not doing it, but in future we are doing it. In that case, do not activate it. If we are currently doing the campaign, then activate it. Right, so what type of a campaign? Is it a conference, webinar, trade show, public relations, partner, referral program, advertisement, banner ads, direct mail, email, telemarketing, others. So we have a different type of a campaign, which are the direct, indirect, both we have it here. And status, are you planning it? Or currently is this in the progress? Or is it completed or aborted? That means we have planned it, but we are not going to do it because of some other issues. Start date, end date. When are we planning for a campaign? Start date, end date. Expected revenue in campaign. What we are expecting the revenue. Budget cost. How much the cost is involved in this campaign. What is the actual cost and how much responses are we expecting it and number of sent in campaign. Now, campaign can have a parent-self relationship. Now, a simple example, when the company starts, assume that Apple company is started, right? First time when it started, nobody knows about the Apple company, right? What they have done, they have taken the conference and they have status is they were doing the conference. Let's assume that right now they are doing it. Apple company almost did a marketing for 6 months. Right, let's take till April 30. And these all the information. Let's say here, Apple company introduction. Now, first they will do the campaign on the company, the business. Once the people knows about the business, then they will start buying the product related to that business. Right? I know Samsung very well. So it has a good sale, good marketing, good service. If I take a product, anything related to Samsung, we can get all these benefits because Samsung name itself is a popular. Right? So like that here, Apple also, they wanted to make it marketing. Once they are done, now here they wanted to release the products. Now, first one is, let's say, iPhone 15 Pro. Right now it is active. They are doing it. Let's say webinar, they are doing it. Status is planned. They are planning to do it in, let's say, May 1st. and end will be May 16th. Expected revenue, some revenue we are expecting out of it. And actual cost, it is going to be the 1 lakh, and that's it. This is iPhone 15 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro details. Click on this save. Now I have two campaigns. One is Apple, the other one is iPhone 15 Pro. But this iPhone 15 Pro is part of Apple company. Assume that the Apple company is done with their conference, everything is they have completed. Right now, this is in the completed status because everybody know about the Apple company. Now they have created the iPhone 15 Pro. When they created iPhone 15 Pro, if I wanted to track it from the Apple company, how many products did we do the marketing? End of the year, if I wanted to track it, how do I track it? I cannot track it. We have an option called parent campaign. If I click on this parent campaign and click on this Apple and save. That means if I go to the Apple company, in the Apple company, go to the related list, I can see Apple company, how many are doing the product marketing, right? So which is a parent lookup. Now, is everybody, are you guys doing it? Open your laptop, create one campaign. Fine. Vaishnavi, Vivek, can you guys open your laptop and create a campaign? Balaraju, are you guys able to open it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, open the campaign. Create a one business account. Let's say Samsung. Created Samsung business account, business campaign. Status is planned. And activated. Type should be the conference. And save it. Now, anybody has a trouble creating the campaign? Done, created. Now, create another campaign, maybe TV. If you have created the Samsung, create another one, TV, and link that to the app, Samsung. Parent should be Samsung and child will be TV. So click on the new button, create a new campaign. Campaign name is TV and activate it. Parent campaign should be Samsung. Done. How about you? Yeah. Same object. It is looking at the same object. You are creating the child. Now, if you click on this hierarchy, click on this hierarchy. If you click on this hierarchy, it will show you that which one is the parent and which one is the child. You are attending for the first day, right? You are attending first. Okay. Are you able to follow? Okay. Are you able to open the campaign? Have you created a one record? Samsung record. Okay. After that, again click on the new button. Create another record, TV. In TV, you will have a parent lookup relationship, parent campaign. So link it to the Samsung. Click on edit and link it to the Samsung. And just click on this hierarchy, view campaign hierarchy. Click on this view campaign hierarchy. You can see the hierarchy of same object where it is a parent and child. Is everybody able to do it online, guys? Amar, are you able to do it? Done? How about you done? Show me, reverse your laptop. Show me the hierarchy. Click on this. Right. And you're done? You done? Okay, fine. And online members, is it completed? Okay. But so we are creating the campaign. Campaign is also has a self relationship, right? Which has a child and the same thing parent will be there. Now campaign record is created. After creating the campaign record, now we have created this record in Salesforce. But we need to send an alert message to the people. On this date, whatever the date I have provided here, on this date, we are doing the webinar. Let's say iPhone 15 Pro. Now, whatever the date is there here, on this date, we are doing the webinar. We need to inform the people. How do we inform? Now, this is in the system, I have created a record, right? Now, go to the related list. You have something called campaign members. So this campaign members has add leads, add contacts. Two are there, add contacts and add leads. That means you can add a contacts. There is a possibility that contacts, you might be already have a contacts in your system. Right, before iPhone 15 Pro, you might have done the same thing for the iPhone 14. That time also we did a webinar. We have collected the contacts, right? So there must be, we have a data in our system. So these are the existing records. Yesterday we created these records, right? So these are the existing. So we might be having a existing record. If you have a existing record, select it and click on this next button. That means I am informing my existing customer saying that we are going to do it webinar on this day, right? It's a simple thing. Like whenever there is any change in the gold loan or any changes there, if you are a customer of a bank, now bank is going to send you saying that we have this offer on the gold loan. Kind of a information they will send it, right? And this information between this time to this time. After this time, we will not be having this offer. Right? Same thing, Amazon. Whenever there is an offer, they will send you one email. Now you will receive an email if you are a customer of Amazon. If you are not customer of Amazon, you will not receive it. So similarly, there is a customers we have contact, individual person details, we have it. Right? So we are sending the information to the individual people that we are going to do the webinar on this date. Now here I have selected this and keep the member status and select here member status is sent and click on this submit. That means I have sent 2 members. I have informed the 2 members saying that we are going to do the webinar on this day. Let's say if you want to create a new member. Okay. we don't have in our system. I don't have anything in my system. But I know this contact, today only the person came. He seems like very interested in our products. But that person details are not there in the system. In that case, what you have to do, click on this add contacts, click on this search contact and create a new contact. That means we are going to create a new person details. I'm going to create a new person details. Now let's say I'm going to create a Parker David. This is the new person, which is, let's say, Dell Infosys. Click on this save. Now I have added the Parker. When I add the Parker, immediately the record gets created in the contact as well. Before, Parker was not there in the contact. If I click on a new button and if I create a new record, automatically it gets added into the contact object also. Click on this next button. Member send and click on this submit. So like this, we are informing the members. Now, I have not yet informed the member. I have not yet sent an email. I did not send an email. If you observe here, I clicked on the add contacts. I have selected it or I created it, clicked on the next button, then save. I did not send the email yet. So that means these are the expected members that they can attend for this campaign. Right? These are the expected members. Similarly, leads. If you have any leads, existing leads, you can add it. Otherwise, you know that definitely this person is going to take a this product, then you can add it. Mostly we add existing leads here. Now, once we have it, we have a one more option here. Click on this, send list email. Now, first step is that we are adding the members here. We collected the members. After that, we have clicked on it, send list email. That means as a group, we are going to send an email. Now in the recipient, I can just see here iPhone 15 Pro, but I will not be able to see the email IDs, anything, nothing will be there. Right? So it is kind of a group. So Salesforce grouped everything, whatever the contacts we have collected, it is grouped and it is created the new email distribution list, which is called as a iPhone 15 Pro. And the subject is launching iPhone 15 Pro. Let's say, hi, we are conducting the webinar on March 5th. 5th March, and let's say address details. Let's say Amirpet and so address, and then I'll specify here. Thank you. If you want to attach a link, you can attach the link. Now this email we are going to send. Now you have a few options here. If you want to attach a file, you can attach the file. Or else if you want to insert an existing template, you can insert. Salesforce is providing some templates. If you want to insert it, you can insert. Let's say if I click on this plus button, insert template. There is a default templates which Salesforce is providing. Default template. So these are the templates which Salesforce is providing. If you want to include it, you can include. So let's say here commerce, reorder portal invitation. If you select this, insert it, it is going to insert these details. Right? It is going to replace the information. Now let's say here you have an option, send, save and draft. Do you want to send it right now? Or do you just wanted to save it for now and maybe draft, keep it as a draft? And one more thing here, you can send maximum 10 emails. This is in the developer edition. In real time, we will have a more limits. So this is in the developer edition, the limit will be the 10. So that's the reason recipient will be the group together. If you have a 10 contact details, for each one, you cannot send an email. If you send for each one, your limits will be expired. So that's the reason we are adding all the contacts and created the group distribution list. And then we are sending single email to all the contacts. Right? So here you have a send option. There is another one, send later. Send later is nothing but what time do you want to send it? So let's say here 15th 8 a.m. Or if you want to send it 14th, maybe the 14th will be the 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Usually sometimes we receive emails exactly 12 o'clock midnight, right? So they will schedule something on that day 12 a.m. So if I say here 8 p.m., so what will happen? It is scheduled for 14th February, 8 p.m. IST. Right? And then the send button is disabled. And it says send later. Before it was having a send button, right? So now it is saying that send later. Now, if you want to edit the send time, or if you want to unschedule it, that means remove the schedule part of it. You can do the unschedule. If I say unschedule, the schedule will go on. Right? If I say here again send later, 15th 8 a.m., click on this save. So it is going to created for to send tomorrow morning 8 a.m. System will automatically send it, whether you are online or offline. Now send later, click on this done. Now it is going to send an email to tomorrow morning 8 a.m. Now can you guys also do the same thing? Campaign members, add the campaign members in your child campaign. Go to the child campaign, which is a TV, add contacts, go to the related list. In the related list, you will go down and there is an option called add contacts. Click on this add contacts and you will see all the contacts here. Just select this plus button. Select the plus button. If you select it, automatically the contacts get selected and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, the record gets added here. Added. Okay. Ravikant, you guys able to do it? Now, once you are done, click on this send list email. Send list email. Either you prepare an email or choose it from the template. Either you add the email template here. You can type it here or click on this plus button. Choose any template. Insert template. Choose any existing template. Muskan, are you able to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen?
Can we add multiple groups to the recipient or?
Sorry?
Can we add multiple groups, like we are sending a group called TV, right? So in TV, we have 2 or 3 contacts. So in the same way, can we add another group and it has 4 or 5 contacts?
No, actually, you are sending an email related to TV itself, right? So when
Yes,
you are
yes.
sending an email, so it will be a one group. In case if you are sending it for the multiple campaigns, in that case, it will be a different groups. But one campaign will have only one group.
Okay, okay. But in recipient, it's showing like we can add one more group. For example, let's say there is a TV. I was
Mm-hmm.
typing like Samsung. So
Mm-hmm.
it is adding Samsung also.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you can add it. You can add multiple there, you can add it.
Okay, that is what I'm asking. I mean,
Oh,
can we add
yeah, you
multiple
can add.
groups?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What if there are duplicate contacts in the two groups? I mean, the email goes twice for the same person
Twice.
or?
Yes. It goes twice.
Okay,
Sometimes it will restrict it because if you have already selected, it is going to restrict it.
okay, okay.
Can you share your screen, Mastan?
Madam, sorry, madam, that laptop got off, madam. Stop. The charging is over. Not seen, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I came through phone, madam.
Bender, can you share your screen?
Can you give me 2 minutes because I connected the meeting in the iPad and I was another device.
You guys have to try along with me, otherwise it will be difficult after the class. Okay, if you try along with me, then only you guys will be able to understand. Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am, my laptop is in problem. I'm listening class mobile. Ma'am. Tomorrow my laptop is failed.
so this way it is a
Because
difficult,
repairing
guys.
purpose.
Just listening does not help. Listening practice both has to be going parallelly. Who has done in this group? Online, who has done it? Yes, this way it is very difficult to go on. You need to practice it.
I have done it, ma'am.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yes. Where
Let
we
me
can.
give you the access.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. You are able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
See, this is the broadbands I have created.
Mm-hmm.
TV, iPhone, Samsung, and then I have a link to Samsung,
Mm-hmm.
and then iPhone. Then when I clicked on TV, you can see campaign number 2.
Mm-hmm. Can you show me the send later? Did you try send later? What you done it?
Yeah, I have sent like this, but where we can see?
Okay, you cannot see that information here.
Okay.
It is scheduled at the back end.
Okay. I have sent like this,
Okay.
and then. Then I have selected and I have select this
Mhm.
and I send.
Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. So let me take the host.
Okay.
Once you have created this campaign, then where can we find it, whether I did send button or not? So usually what happens is whenever you have scheduled it, you can see something called as a scheduled job. You have something called scheduled jobs. Anything that is scheduled in the system, it will be shown in the scheduled jobs. No, but the campaign one, which we are sending it, we cannot be shown there. It is not visible there. It will be stayed at the back end. Now, few homework. Now here, there is a two type of a campaign. Direct campaign is nothing but where we will have a clarity. Indirect campaign is nothing but just an assumption. By looking at the screen, we will be assuming it, right? So that is a just a assumption. But mostly effective campaign is a direct campaign, which where we will have a clarity. So homework requirement is contact should receive an Apple iPhone updates email. So create a FI_23 Apple conference campaign, and you will have this is the parent one. Child will have a Q1 campaign demo, Q2 campaign. Q1, there is a contacts, we need to create it, these two contacts. For campaign 2, again you will have a week 2 campaign demo. So that means this is a grandchild of this one. This is a parent, child, and grandchild. And grandchild is having a contacts of 3 contacts. So you need to create a 3 contacts here. So this is the structure of sending an Apple iPhone updates email to the customers. Now the second one is Volvo. So you will have a campaign FI_23 Volvo, Q1 campaign, Q2 campaign, and Q2 will have a week 2 campaign demo. And here we have a different contacts. Yesterday's one is a different. Yesterday one is the diagram is the same as yesterday, but here the information which we are looking is different. Yesterday's one is account to contact relationship. Here it is campaign, and we are creating the child campaign. FI_23 Samsung. This is the Q1 campaign, Q2 campaign. Q2 campaign will have a week 2 campaign. And here you will have a different contacts which we need to create it. Those are the homework.
But the quarters is there.
Q3.
Yeah, Q1 campaign.
Hmm.
For that quarter, you can mention the start date.
Yes, you have to mention the start date and end date. Yes, so that's the reason I have given here homework here. So usually in the real time, what we will have is there is a parent campaign will be there, financial year of 23 Samsung. For that financial year of 23, in every quarter, or maybe they will do only one marketing. So whenever they are doing the marketing, are they doing the marketing in the Q1, Q2, Q3? So this is to track for a future purpose. Next year, if I wanted to check last year, Samsung financial year 23, how many marketing they have done it, and who all are the contacts they have attended for this. And we have sent it. So this is how we will have a real time. Now, real time scenario. So let's take some example here. Maybe WhatsApp application or a working professional or a Facebook. So what will happen? First, we will register it. The registration happens. After the registration, the notification email goes to the audience. Then once it is done, then we'll have a meetup. Simple example, Salesforce events happens or somebody is conducting the conference. What they will do, these are the social media they will refer it. From this social media, they will create a group, like a WhatsApp group, they will create it. And they will send a form or a link. Whoever wants to attend this event, they will ask you to register that. When we register it, there is a contact that's created at the backend. Once the contact is created, immediately we will receive an email notification. Then we are going to appear on the meetup. So this is how real time it happens. We have created a campaign. Emails are sent to the contact. Now persons are attending the campaign. Now, once the persons are attending the event, what is the outcome that we are going to expect in the campaign? What are the output that we are expecting? The expectation of the campaign output is bringing the leads, interested person. So somebody is attended the iPhone 15 Pro. Okay. The expectation will be 50% of people buying the phone. That means expected outcome of the campaign will be the lead or interested person. So whoever is interested persons, we are going to, from that campaign, from the demo, Salesforce demo, how many members are we expecting the interested person to attend the Salesforce? So campaign outcome will be the interested persons. So which is in Salesforce is called as a lead. Now lead topic we will see tomorrow. Now today, is everybody clear on this? Creating the campaign. Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
second homework is it's a campaign. So sometimes in the Q2, they will do multiple campaigns. If it is a one campaign, we can directly create a Q1 campaign demo. Now, same thing in Salesforce demo. In this quarter, I can do multiple demos. Week one demo, week two, one demo, you have attended, right? So I did 3 demos. Week one demo, week two, another demo. So like that in the Q1, how many demos we are doing it and who are the contacts that are attended for this demo. Similarly, Q2 also, we will have a week 2, week 1 campaigns. So tomorrow we will see the lead,